Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Sales with Jay and Ron.
Yep, where we are turning script readers into pro salespeople.
All right, guys, today's topic is going to be the best sales tactics today.
Yeah. Number one is pushing away. So when you push away, guys, you have to make sure that you have that abundance mentality. You need to first believe it in yourself before you can transfer it over to a seller. So what do we mean by pushing away, right? You guys know what's happening with the market, right? So this is an easy way to push away, right? And when they say, oh, the market is high, you'd be like, maybe it is. Maybe you can get lucky. But honestly, if I were you, I would try to sell it right now because the market is going a different direction. So I'm not your guy, but definitely consider selling as soon as possible because the market is changing, right? So I just pushed away the person. I'm telling them I'm not the right fit for them. I'm not the guy. If you want to get that high amount, definitely try to sell it as soon as possible and let them come back to you.
And guys, like, you know how Roddy made that sound very easy and just normal? It took a while because for everybody, right? Like anything you do in life, it's never like do the opposite to get somebody to come back to you. So it's normal to feel weird, like especially now. Sometimes I'm talking to somebody and I'm pushing away somebody I want to buy their house from. Like it sounds crazy, but when you sell yourself and you start selling features and benefits of what you guys do, it naturally creates a guard for that seller. And what that does is it puts somebody on like they're trying to sell me. I'm trying to get taken advantage of. I don't want to work with somebody like that. Instead, Ronnie went a completely different route and was like, hey, the market's going down. Maybe I'm not your guy.
And take a look at this video if you guys want to dig in more. Hey, Jagger, after taking a look at the property and looking to see how much you're looking to sell it for, be honest, I'm probably not the best fit for you.
Why wouldn't you be the best fit for me?
So just to let you know, the price you're looking for is normally what houses sell for when they get fixed up and all of that. But hey, look, that's just what I think. Don't let me or anyone else tell you what you can get for your property. I say you go for it.
All right, guys, the second best sales tactics that we use probably almost every day
All the time.
When we're getting deals, obviously, it's leaving the door open. So we've spoken about this in some of our past videos, but leaving the door open is key. What that does is it is when you agree with the seller, you're going to buy their house, but you have a contingency that you have a X amount of days or weeks to confirm that you're going to buy it. And what that does for you is that you didn't set the wrong expectation for the seller saying, I'm 100% going to buy this. Because as we know, when you get your contractors in and your other investor friends in, the numbers always get tighter. So then at that point, instead of you saying, hey, I'm 100% going to buy this, and then you got to get your contractor in and the price changes, and now the seller's pissed at you and doesn't want to work with you, you set the right expectation. And how I do that is, hey, listen, I'm 90% sure I can get this done at the price that we're agreeing on, but I'm not a contractor. I need to get one of my guys in. For me to do that, I have to pay them. So for me to pay them, and if we don't have an agreement and you just go somewhere else, I'm paying all these resources and we're not getting anything done. I know you don't care, but for us to actually see if we can definitely buy this, I just need an agreement between us showing that we think we could buy it at this price, but I would need a couple of weeks to confirm.
Yeah. So number 3, anchoring, one of everyone's favorite thing to do. Because when you think sales, you think negotiating. So guys, there are 3 ways that you can anchor. And anchoring, all it is when you go real low, because you know the seller's too high, so you guys can kind of start negotiating somewhere in the middle and go from there. So one way that we do that is we'll blame other investors. So it's real simple. Instead of you saying, hey, I can buy your house for 300, you'd be like, hey, I haven't seen your house yet, but other investors in this area tend to buy houses similar to yours for 260.
Oh, you're crazy. You're crazy. My house is worth way more than that.
Yeah. For sure. Like I said, these are other investors buying other houses in that area. I haven't seen your house yet.
Boom.
But you plant it in their head that their house might not be worth what they think.
Yeah, that's gold right there. This works. We're not just saying it. We've done it. People get pissed, but hey, it's just a way to get a gauge on what the seller actually needs. Another way, my favorite way, is joking around. Oh, I don't know what the house is worth, Jagger. So you just make a joke out of it. Like, what if I gave you $20,000 for your house? So someone there is going to probably be like, are you crazy? $20,000? My house is worth $1 million. So you knew what it's worth. So if you kind of want to actually see how that's done, we'll definitely have some videos on role playing that.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, these are 3 of the best sales tactics you can learn. Just to conclude, we're talking pushing away, leaving the door open, and anchoring. Now, if you guys want to dig a little bit deeper into anchoring, click this video.
Boom.